Dear students, today I want to do revision of matrix. As you know, this chapter is very important for getting good marks in the examination, and it is important for MCQ type questions as well as long type of questions. So, it is my suggestion, you must go through this video, you must watch the video and take its notes sincerely. Before starting matrix, I hope you know what is a matrix. A matrix is any rectangular array of numbers or functions in m rows and n columns written within bracket. A matrix of m rows and n column is usually written as matrix A is equal to A11. It means first row and first column. A12, first row, second column. First suffix stands for row and second is for column. A1n, A21, A22, A2n. AM1, AM2, AM. And in short, it can be written as matrix A within this bracket Aij m by n. So order of this matrix is m by n. We read as not m into n. It is read as m by n. A matrix having m rows and n columns has order m by n. Types of matrix. Row matrix. A matrix having only one row. Column matrix. A matrix having only one column. A square matrix. A matrix in which number of rows is equal to the number of columns. Diagonal matrix. A square matrix which all the non-diagonal elements are 0. These are non-diagonal elements. So this is only diagonal elements are non-zero. Otherwise, all the elements are 0. It can be represented as A diag within the bracket 1, 2, 3. In this way, we can represent diagonal matrix. Scalar matrix, a diagonal matrix in which all the diagonal elements are equal. A diagonal matrix in which all the diagonal elements are equal. For example, 1, 1, 1 and all the non-diagonal elements are 0 is known as scalar matrix. Identity or unit matrix. A square matrix is said to be identity matrix if all its diagonal entries are equal to 1 and rest are 0. So, if we put 1 in the diagonal, it is identity matrix and scalar matrix also. And if you 2, 2, 2, then it is a scalar matrix. So if we write 1, 1, 1, then it is, if all the elements of the diagonals are 1, then it is known as what? Identity or unit matrix. A square matrix is said to be identity matrix if all its diagonal entries are equal to 1 and rest are 0. 0 or null matrix. A matrix whose all the elements are 0. Equality of matrix. Two matrices are said to be equal if their order is same and their corresponding elements are also equal. Transpose of a matrix is very important. The matrix obtained by interchanging the rows and column of matrix A is called the transpose of matrix A. It is represented by A dash or AT. In other words, if A matrix A is a matrix of m by n order, then transpose of A is AJI n by m. Here, column change into m and row change into column. So in this way, we can define transpose of a matrix. You must remember this property of transpose of matrix. For any matrices A and B of suitable orders, A plus B dash is equal to A dash B dash. Transpose of A is equal to A. K is a scalar. K into A dash is equal to K into A dash, where K is any constant. AB dash is equal to B dash A dash. Symmetric matrix. A square matrix Aij is called a symmetric matrix if Aij is equal to Aj. If transpose of the matrix is matrix itself, A dash is equal to A for all Ij, or we say if A is equal to A dash, A is equal to A dash, Aij is equal to Aji. किसी मैट्रिक्स का ट्रांसपोज यदि उस मैट्रिक्स के बराबर हो जाए तो ऐसा मैट्रिक्स सिमेट्रिक मैट्रिक्स कहलाता है. स्क्यू सिमेट्रिक मैट्रिक्स. A square matrix Aij is called a skew symmetric matrix if Aji is equal to minus Aij, or we say if A dash is equal to minus A. Important notes. For any square matrix A with real entries, A plus A dash is symmetric matrix and A minus A dash is a skew symmetric matrix. A matrix which is both symmetric and skew symmetric is zero matrix. It is very, very important for MCQ type of question. A matrix which is both symmetric and skew symmetric is zero matrix. Now I want to discuss some questions. A square matrix A is said to be skew symmetric if fill in the blank, and it was asked in CBSE 2020. A square matrix A is said to be skew symmetric if A dash is equal to minus A. We have just discussed. If the matrix A is 0, A minus 3, 2, 0, minus 1, B 1, 0, is skew symmetric. Find the value of A and B. It was asked in CBSE 2018. Since A is a skew symmetric matrix, therefore A dash is equal to minus A. A dash is equal to minus A. It is given in this problem. A is a skew symmetric matrix. So now A dash plus A is equal to 0. 0, A minus 3, 2, 0, minus 1, B 1, 0. And its transpose is 0, A minus 3, 2, 0, minus 1, B 1, 0 is equal to 0. And by adding 0, 2 plus A, B minus 3, A plus 2, 0, 0, B minus 3, 0, 0 is equal to 0. What do you observe? A plus 2 is equal to 0 because it is a 0 matrix. So A is equal to minus 2. And B minus 3 is equal to also 0. This implies B is equal to 3. So required value of A is equal to minus 2 and 3. A is equal to minus 2. If A is equal to minus 2, then it is 0. If B is equal to 3, then it is 0. Then it is 0. Then A is equal to minus 2, then it is 0. So it becomes 0 matrix. So my dear student, you must do this problem frequently. If the matrix A 0, 2B, minus 2, 3, 1, 3, 3A, 3, minus 1 is given to be symmetric, find the value of A and B. It was asked in Delhi 2016. A is equal to 0, 2B, minus 2, 3, 1, 3, 3A, 3, minus 1. Also A is symmetric, so A dash is equal to A. That is A is equal to A dash. A 0, 2B, minus 2, 3, 1, 3, 3A, 3, minus 1 is transpose. 0, 2B, minus 2, 3, 1, 3, 3A, 3, minus 1. And both matrices are equal. So on comparing the corresponding elements of the matrices, we get minus 2. This minus 2 is equal to 3A. A is equal to minus 3 by 2. 2b, this 2b is equal to 3. So b is equal to 3 by 2. So required value of A is equal to minus 3 by 2 and b is equal to 3 by 2. Now, if A is equal to 3579 is written as A is equal to P plus Q, where P is a symmetric matrix and Q is a skew symmetric matrix, then write the matrix P. It is very, very important. It was asked in Foreign Set 2016. My dear students, here the value of A is given. So its corresponding transpose matrix is 3, 5 in column 7, 9. Where P is symmetric and Q is skew symmetric, it is given. So P is equal to half A plus A dash, because a matrix can be expressed in the form of A is equal to half A plus A dash plus half A minus A dash, where A plus A dash is symmetric and A minus A dash is skew symmetric. So P is symmetric and Q is skew symmetric. P is equal to half A plus A dash and Q is equal to half A minus A dash. Therefore, P is equal to half A plus A dash. This is A and this is A dash. So the value of P is equal to 3669. It is very, very important. You must remember this result. Any square matrix can be expressed in the form of half A plus A dash, half A minus A dash, where half A plus A dash is symmetric and half A minus A dash is skew symmetric. Express the matrix A 2, 4, minus 6, 7, 3, 5, 1, minus 2, 4 as the sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. It is very, very important problem for 2 marks. We know that a square matrix A can be written as A half A plus A dash plus half A minus A dash, out of which half A plus A dash is symmetric and half A minus A dash is skew symmetric. For the given matrix A 2, 4, minus 6, 7, 3, 5, 1, minus 2, 4 and A dash 2, 4, minus 6, 7, 3, 5, 1, minus 2, 4 and A minus A dash is 0, minus 3, minus 7, 3, 0, 7, 7, minus 7, 0. A plus A dash 4, 11, minus 5, 11, 6, 3, minus 5, 3, 8. And now, hence A is equal to half A plus A dash plus half A minus A dash. This is the value of half A plus A dash. And this is the value of half A minus A dash. And you can check, if you add these two matrices, you will get A. So, first of which is symmetric and second is skew symmetric matrix. Problem number 6. Write a 2 by 2 matrix. We will not read it in this way, 2 into 2. 2 by 2 matrix, which is both symmetric and skew symmetric. It was asked in Delhi 2014 compartmental. So this is 0 matrix is symmetric as well as skew symmetric matrix. It is very, very important for the purpose of examination. For what value of x is the matrix 0, 1, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 3, x, minus 3, 0, a skew symmetric matrix? Since A is equal to this much and A is skew symmetric matrix, then A is equal to minus A dash. So this is the value of A minus A dash. That is A is equal to 0 minus A is equal to minus A dash. So A dash is 0, minus 1, x, 1, 0, minus 3, minus 3, minus 2, minus 3, 0. And it will be minus x plus 1, minus x. Minus 1, 0, plus 3. It is the value of minus A dash. 2, 3, 0. So A is equal to minus A dash. So these two matrices are equal. So now minus 2 is equal to minus x. X is equal to 2. If A and B are symmetric matrices such that AB and BA are both defined, then prove that AB minus BA is skew symmetric matrix. It is very, very important. And this problem was also asked in post midterm exam. Given A and B symmetric matrices, A dash is equal to A, B dash is equal to B. Transpose of AB minus BA is equal to transpose of AB minus transpose of BA. And you reverse the order. It will be B dash A dash minus A dash B dash. B dash is equal to B, A dash is equal to A dash is equal to A, B dash is equal to B. Taking common minus, it will be AB minus BA. Hence, AB minus BA is a skew symmetric matrix. AB minus BA is a skew symmetric matrix because its transpose is negative of this matrix. In this way, we can solve this problem. So that all the diagonal elements of a skew symmetric matrix are 0. It was asked in Delhi 2017. Let A is equal to AIG be a skew symmetric matrix. Then AJI is equal to AJIJ. AJI is equal to minus AIJ. AIJ is equal to AJI. My dear student, here it is given that AIJ be a skew symmetric matrix. Then A is equal to AIG be a skew symmetric matrix. Then transpose of A dash is equal to minus A. Minus A. ठीक है था My dear student, A is equal to AIG be a skew symmetric matrix. Then AJI is equal to minus AIJ for all ij. And the suffix of diagonal matrix will be equal. So AIA is equal to minus AIA for all I. That is 2AII is equal to 0. AII is equal to 0. AI means A11, A22, A33, so on, ANN is equal to 0. In this way we can prove this result. So that a matrix which is both symmetrics and a skew symmetrics is a 0 matrix. Let A be a matrix which is both symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. What does it mean? A dash is equal to A and A dash is equal to minus A. This implies A is equal to minus A. That is A plus A is equal to 0. That is 2A is equal to 0. A is equal to 0. Thus A is null matrix. If A and B are symmetric matrices, then prove that AB plus BA is a symmetric matrix. Since A and B are symmetric matrices, A dash is equal to A, B dash is equal to B. AB plus BA dash is equal to AB dash plus BA dash. That is B dash A dash plus A dash B dash. That is BA plus AB. BA plus BA plus AB. And this is AB plus BA. Hence, AB plus BA is a symmetric matrix. Write the number of all possible matrices of order 2 by 3 with each entry 1 or 2. Total number of elements in 2 by 3 matrix is 6. Number of choices for each element is equal to 2. Hence, number of possible matrices 2 into 2 into 2, so on up to 6 times. So 2 to the power 6, that is 64 matrix we will get. This is very, very important question for the purpose of examination. Problem number 12. Write the number of all possible matrices of order 2 by 2 with each entry 1, 2 or 3. So how many here possible elements, number of elements in 2 by 2 matrix 4. And number of choices for each element is 3. So the number of possible matrices 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, 81. Give an example of scalar diagonal matrix, non-scalar diagonal matrix, non-diagonal matrix, row matrix which is also column matrix and row matrix. These are very, very important. Scalar diagonal matrix. Here non-diagonal elements are 0. Then it is scalar diagonal matrix or diagonal matrix. Now, non-scalar diagonal. This is non-scalar diagonal. Rukna. Now, my dear student, here we discuss very important examples of some matrices. Scalar diagonal matrix. So, all the diagonal elements are scalar and rest are 0, and this is scalar. And if in scalar diagonal matrix, if diagonal matrix are 1 1, then it is unity. It is not unit matrix. So it is a scalar diagonal matrix. Now second is non-scalar diagonal matrix. Non-scalar diagonal matrix. So in non-scalar diagonal matrix, it will be diagonal elements are not equal. 5, 6, 4. Non-scalar diagonal matrix. Non-diagonal matrix. Non-diagonal matrix is 5, 7, 6. ये तो होगा ही, और कोई एक एलिमेंट्स, कोई एक एंट्री में नंबर होगा. Now, row matrix which is also column matrix. Row matrix which is also column matrix. This is row matrix which is also column matrix. Now, 5 number problem. Column matrix, it is column matrix. Row matrix, it is row matrix. 2, 4, minus 6. Now try to understand. This is non-diagonal matrix. Problem number second. Problem number second is non-scalar diagonal matrix. Non-scalar diagonal matrix. This is scalar diagonal matrix, and it is non-scalar diagonal matrix. There is little bit difference. In non-scalar diagonal matrix, in scalar diagonal matrix, diagonal elements are non-zero and equal. Non-zero and equal. It is non-zero but not equal. It is non-zero but not equal. Try to understand. So this is difference between, little bit difference between first and second. You must keep in your mind. And it is non-diagonal matrix. Non-diagonal matrix. Non-diagonal matrix. All the elements of the, except the diagonal elements, all the rest elements are 0, but there is one element which is also non-zero. So in this way we can we can give example of all the important 6 types of matrix in which generally diagonal matrix is involved. I hope by solving these types of problem, now you can solve the problem of board examination also, and you must revise all these 14 problems. These problems are very important for the purpose of examination. And I will send you another video for the purpose of revision of matrix algebra. I hope it will be beneficial for you. Thank you very much.